Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Making Change Project. Magandang Sunday morning sa lahat ng mga Delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so Sunday morning and second vlog natin bago magpunta sa church. And mamaya, bago tayo mag-coach sa Robinsons, Pampanga sa dalawang anak ko ng isang OFW. Okay? And by the way, this morning, kachat natin si Doc Mercy. Hi, Doc Mercy Dominguez. Good morning po. Natutuwa ako kay Doc kasi after namin mag-coaching last 2 weeks ago sa Robinsons, Pampanga, lagi siya nag-message. Sabi niya, Doc, I was so very motivated and nagpapasalamat siya. Ako ang napiling wealth coach ni Doc Mercy. Hi, Doc. Thank you very much. See you this April for part 2 with your friend. Alright? So, thank you po. So, nagkaroon tayo ng doctor na friend. So, papacheck up na rin tayo kay Doc. Okay? When Doc meets Doc. Alright, so, the mindset of right or rich people. Okay? Alam nyo, nung isa mag-seminar ako sa, parang, I don't know, Mariveles ata yun. May isa nagtanong sa akin, what is the difference, or what is the difference of rich and poor people? Ano ba yung nangyari? Bakit nagkaroon ng rich people? Bakit nagkaroon ng poor people? Okay? So, tama naman yung tanong eh. If you're going to think of it, kung ano ba, sabay-sabay tayong pinanganak na mahirap, okay? May mga taong nananatiling mahirap at may mga taong nagiging mayaman. Okay, what's the difference? Eh, pareho na lang naman tayong may 24 hours, di ba? Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Jeff Bezos, Jack Ma. So, lahat ng mga taong kilala natin na mayayaman, meron silang 24 hours. And tayo din, or the rich people, the poor people, the middle class, the rich people, lahat tayo, meron tayong 24 hours. If poor people have 24 hours. Diba? So, pareho lang laban. And another, pareho lang naman tayo din sinisikatan ng araw. Lahat tayo, pare-pareho inuulan. So, pare-pareho lang may access sa resources, diba? Sa earth. May access tayong lahat. So, you know the difference of the rich and the poor people is the mindset. That's the difference. Magkaiba ng mindset. Sabi nga yung rich people, okay, I heard it from Grant Cardone. Kahit tanggalin mo lahat ng kayamanan ni Grant Cardone ngayon, give him man's, babalik lahat yon. Because may tamang mindset. Okay? Poor people, di ba? Kahit paulit-ulit mo bigyan ng pera, 100,000, 200,000, they will end up being poor. Because of their mindset. Ang difference mindset talaga. It's mindset, okay? Believe me. Alright? So, ito siguro isang ini-inject ko na principle. Talagang mindset and difference. Alright? So, para hindi tayo manatiling mahirap o hindi tayo maghirap, okay? And to sustain your wealth and to sustain being rich, ito yung mindset natin. Okay? So, the mindset of rich people. Ito yung mindset nila. So, ano ba meron sa mga rich people? Bakit ba sila nananatiling mayaman or from poor to being rich? The mindset. Number 1 is they start with right reason. Lahat ng mga ginagawa nila, they started with right reasons. Okay? So, hindi sila nagsimula ng magiging billionaire ako, magiging millionaire ako. Naalala niyo si Bill Gates? Nung nagsimula si Bill Gates, hindi niya iniisip that, never niya din nag-dream na I will become the richest people in the world. Okay? Ang target niya that time, ang reason niya is to provide people a software. Okay? That will help us, to do our tasks. So, yun yung gusto niya. Diba? Zuckerberg. Ano yung gusto ni Zuckerberg? Hindi niya naman sinabi na I will be rich someday, I will be famous. Ang gusto ni Zuckerberg when he was working on Facebook, connect people. That's it. The right reason. Not the reason na, sige, yumaman ako ng yumaman, di ba? And that's the mindset of the poor people. Yung mga poor people, di ba? Ba't sila nagsusugal? Di ba? Ba't sila nagsusugal? Bakit sila nagsusugal? You know what's the reason? Gusto nila makuha yung pera. Ako kukuhanin ko yung pera, magkaroon ako ng 500, magkaroon ako ng additional 100,000. Wrong reason. Kaya pag nagkaroon ng 100,000, anong gagawin mo sa 100,000? Wala, di ba? But if you have the right reason, okay, you want to help people, aba, ang sarap ng feeling. Walang depression, walang loneliness sa dulo. You'll not live a miserable life. Because you have the right reason. Pag wala kang right reason, hindi mo alam, madi-depress ka. I remember Tony Robbins, sa book niya, sabi niya, dun sa, I don't know, anong may title yung makapal. Do you know what's happening to some of the astronauts? Pagkatapos nilang magpunta sa outer space, then kakamayan daw sila ng mga president, okay, nakikilala sila for certain time, okay, then afterwards, most of them pala nadi-depress because they don't know the reason. Or maybe they know the reason, but they have the wrong reason. Imagine, ang hirap maging astronauts, tapos madi-depress ka lang because of that wrong reason. Alright? So, napakahalaga ng tama yung reason mo. When I started my YouTube channel, okay, hindi ko pinangarap noon na from here kikita ako ng 50,000. From here kikita ako ng commission ko ng almost, the same amount, 50,000. From here kikita ako ng mga at least 100,000 from coaching. Those are not my reason. Hindi yun na reason ko. Ang reason ko that time, okay, I'm not familiar with YouTube that time. Ang reason ko lang doon, yung sinasabi ko sa seminar, masabi ko sa YouTube. Kasi parang nahihinayang ako sa mga nasishare ko sa seminar. Kasi alam ko that yung content ko sa seminar, it motivates people. How did I know that? Kasi nagtetestify sila sa akin, Doc, nabago ng buhay ko, Doc, salamat sa mga tips mo sa seminar. So, something like that. So, sabi ko, nakita ko YouTube, so, ang dami palang nanonood. So, gusto ko ganyan din kadami ma-motivate. That's my reason. That's how I started. I did not intend to, magkaroon ako ng income. Ito na yung magiging hanap buhay ko pagdating na. It's not that. Okay? So, sumunod na lang yon. Sumunod na lang po siya. Okay? So, yun yung right reason. Meron akong nilaunch na mali ang reason ko. When I launched my website, my blog, so nagsusulat ako ng sulat. Sabi ko, ang purpose ko noon is, one of my major purposes is to get paid. So, payment agad na isip ko. So, yun. Walang nangyari. Di ba? So, you start with right reason. What is your reason? What is that one thing that you want to launch? Have the right reason. Okay? Sometimes yung reason natin, it's not all about money. It's all about helping people. It's all about inventing something na makakatulong sa kapwa natin. It's all about a program na alam mo makapag-launch sa'yo, makakatulong sa'yo. It's all about things na alam mo that will be contributing to our society. Have the right reason. What is your reason? What is your purpose? Okay? That's the mindset of rich people. Lahat ng rich people na nakikita natin, they have mindset. Yung mga poor people na nakikita natin, nakakalumilo natin, ang mindset nila makuha na tayo ng pera. Ang mindset nila malamangan ng kapwa. Di ba? Kaya hindi sila yung mayaman eh. Kasi ang isip nila, to earn money, to get money. Okay? Kaya nung may pera naman sila, hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin nila sa pera nila. But the rich people, okay, they have the right reason, then nagiging reward ang pera. Alright? So that's the difference. Okay? Second, the second mindset of rich people is they have this intentional. They have intentional mindset. So, lahat ng ginagawa nila, meron silang intentional mindset. So, for example, they want to learn how to invest. So, gumagawa sila ng mga moves on how to earn, or how to invest. O, gumagawa sila ng mga paraan. So, they read books, they attend seminars, meron silang intentional mindset. So, hindi nagkataon na nakapag-invest sila. Okay? Kumbaga, it was intention. Okay? So, hindi rin nagkataon na na-meet nila yung mga different types of people that these people are giving them opportunity. Kumbaga, it's intentional. Intentional na nakipag-usap sila doon because they know networking is important. And yung learnings nila, alam nila yung ganung bagay, alam nila yung ganung mga concept principles, that's intentional learning. But poor people, yung mga poor people, accident lang kaya sila natuto doon. Accident lang kaya, it's not intentional. It's not in their mindset. Even learnings, lahat ng mga natututunan ng mga rich people, that's intentional. They are intentionally attending seminar, intentionally talking to different people. And even posting, pag nag-post sila, may intention. Pag nag-post sila ng mga post sa FB, that's ang ano nila doon intent is marketing. They market. It's either their market, their advocacy, they market on how to help people. It's intentional. They do intentional mindset. Paggising nila, intentional mindset. Alam na nila kung anong gagawin nila. Sunday, intentional. Saturday, alam nila kung anong gagawin nila. Holiday, intentional mindset. May alam silang gagawin. Pero lahat ng mga mahihirap na kilala natin, it's yung calendar nila not intentional eh. Wala nga silang purpose na gagawin. Wala silang specific na gagawin. They don't know what to do. Diba? Hindi nila, lagi lang silang sumasabay sa agos. But the rich people na. Poor people, lagi lang silang, ganun lang. Di ba napapansin nyo, minsan, pag-order sa isang restaurant, pag tinanong sila, what do you want? Spicy or classic? Sige, kung ano na lang. Kung ano orderin mo. May order nung kasama, sige, kung ano order na lang orderin mo. Di ba? That's not intentional. When you go there, kilala mo agad ang rich. You know, pag naipag-meeting ako, may invitation ako ng meeting, business meeting, I know the moves. Inaaral ko yung mga moves ng mga kamiting ko. Mostly mga kamiting ko, mga CEO. CEO ng mga companies. Branch manager. Yan mga kamiting natin. Ito halo na may mga kamiting natin. But mostly 80% nasa supervisory level mga kamiting natin. And you know, lahat intentional. When they order their food, alam nila agad kung ano orderin nila. Hindi yung tanungan muna sila. No. Alam na alam nila. Okay? Alam na alam nila that they will be ordering salad. And mostly salad sila. Rich people order salads. So, yung isa natutunan ko. Mostly yun lang yung order nila. So, ayun nila mga fatty foods, di ba? So, may intention kasi sila eh. Lahat na ginagawa nila, it's intentional na in-order nila yon kasi for their health, maybe. Diba? So, nakakatuwa that when you try to see rich people, their moves, iba pa lang mga moves nila. Iba talaga. Iba din mga choice of words nila. Intentional din pati words nila. I think, practice nila eh. What is their intro pag nag-uusap kami? Actually, most of them kausap ko, nagpapa-coach. So, coaching on how to market, coaching on how to expand, scale up their business. So, nakakatuwa that they are trusting I Can Change project or my GDS consulting or corporate training business natin. So, they are consulting. And yung mga moves nila, lahat, you know, nakita ko pa, pati mga gamit ng mga rich people is intentional. Consistently na maayos. Consistently na branded. So, yun yung mga observation natin. You know, kasi ganito, guys, sa mga delivers natin, when you are meeting people, tingnan mo kung ano yung pwede mong gayahin sa buhay nila. Sa style nila. Di ba? Meron kang magagaya eh. Ang dami. Kaya try to talk to different types of people. You diversify. So, hindi pwede laging yung best friend mo yan. Nagkasama mo for life. So, kailangan may mamit ka ibang tao para makita mo, ay, ganito pala yung tamang kilos. This is how they shake hands. This is how they say when magpa-part na kayo ng ways. So, meron din sila mga moves eh. So, it's all about intentional and that's their mindset. Kaya papapansin mo, iba talaga ang galaw ng mga rich people. Okay? Iba. Alright? So, next. Okay. The mindset of rich people is what they do to their money, they multiply their money. So, yung mga rich people, they multiply their money. Ang poor people, they spend their money. Diba? Pag sabay sila nagkaroon ng 10,000 pesos. 10,000. Poor people, ang unang isipin, anong bibilin ko? Saan ako pupunta? Saan kami kakain? Rich people, what will I do with 10,000? Ibi-business ko ba to? Anong business? Expand ko ba yung business ko? Invest ko ba? Di ba? So, mindset. Iba ang mindset ng rich people. Iba. Malayo sa mindset ng poor people. Kaya malayo din agwat ng buhay nila eh. Di ba? So, yung rich people, ginagaya nila, alam nila ko yung strategy. They earn money, they save money, then they multiply their money. Poor people, they earn money, they earn money, they earn money. They don't save, they don't multiply. Sometimes they save, but they don't multiply. Kaya naubos ang savings. Kaya at the end of the year, at the end of it all, at the end of their life, wala, mahirap sila. They will die poor. Pero sabi ko nga sa atin, sa previous vlog ko, don't die poor. Paano kayo hindi mamatay na mahirap? Have a rich mindset. Multiply your money. So, yung iniisip na mga, kaya napansin mo, di ba? Rich people are getting richer. Di ba, habang lumilipas ang panahon, lalo silang yumayaman. Kasi mas lalong lumalawig ang mindset nila. Mas nagiging intentional sila. Mas nakikita nila kung ano yung right purpose, kung ano yung tamang reason. Di ba? So, unlike the poor people, nandito po sila eh. They don't multiply. Malayo sila. They just spend money. They just earn money. Last week lang, actually, and last January, I conducted a seminar, career mapping seminar sa mga estudyante namin. Sabi ko, you can be rich, alright? So, una lang gawin to earn money. Don't just earn money. Work and work and work, okay? Learn to save and multiply your money. Kasi ang mindset na sinabi sa atin ng mga bata pa tayo, you work, okay? Sige, magtrabaho ka para may pambili ka ng pagkain, para may pambayad ka ng bills. So, ang nangyari sa atin, sa lahat sa atin, so ganun na lang naging routine natin. We work hard, okay? Then we spend that to our bills. Then we work again, then spend. It's a cycle. Nakakapagod na cycle na hindi ka man lang nakakapagpahinga, na hindi ka man lang nakakapag-coffee sa Starbucks, na hindi ka man lang nakakapag-travel, na wala ka man lang kotse. Diba? So, something like that. Alright? So, ang dapat natin gawin, okay? Aralin natin, ano ba yung mindset ng rich people? Start with your right reason. What is your reason? Ba't mo gagawin yung program na yan? What is your reason? Ba't ka pupunta sa isang lugar na yan? Okay? Second, yung have intentional mindset. So, everything is intentional. Sabi nga, there is no accident. Success is not an accident. It's intentional. Okay? So, make it an intention to be successful. Make it your intention to learn something new. Even learnings are intentional. Okay? And third is multiply your money. Don't just work. Don't just save money. You need to multiply your money. Okay? And so, doon sa mga gustong magpatulong, Dok, ano bang gagawin ko? Gusto ko magkaroon ng tatlong mindset na yan, pero hindi ko lang paano. I want to be rich. I want to be successful. I can help you. So, I can be your wealth coach. Ayan. So, tawagan mo ako, 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga or FB account Gigi Sunga. Okay? And so, doon sa mga gusto magpa-advertise din ng kanilang business, you can use my YouTube channel to advertise that. So, marami na tayong companies na ka-partner and may mga nag-i-invest na sa kanila, mga millions na, and may mga nag-a-avail na sa kanilang mga products. So, my YouTube channel is helping them to expand their business. Because of mostly mga 40, at least 40,000 nanonood natin YouTube channel every day. We have almost 8 million views, a total of 8 million views, and almost 70,000 subscribers. And daily, we are posting at least 3 to 4 videos kasi sobrang dami na nag-aabang ng ating mga vlogs. Okay? So, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, OFW, kahit dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much. By the way, bago tayo mag-thank you, sa lahat ng gusto mag-order ng t-shirts, available na po, I Can Change shirt, plus may bag na rin tayo, parang sling bag, so convertible to sa mga teenagers. Sa mga anak ng OFW, may tatak po yung I Can Change para naisip nila lagi that I can change. I can change my lifestyle, I can change my culture, I can change my life. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!